along here, window down, no music blasting, and I just can't get over. We've been driving about a half hour straight, and it's been straight, and I can't get over how flat it is. How flat it is. Like, look how flat it is for as far as the eye can see. We're coming up to this little knoll here. Yeah, so now we got a stoplight. But flat as flat could be. Anyway, just had to say something. Talk soon, folks. Well, I had to do a video here in Drumheller. How's that for scenery? After a few days of running on pavement, we gotta get back. The old dirt bird, the old dirt chicken's got to get back to its roots, which is running on some dirt. So I purposely had to go find some dirt because I was missing it so much. Anyway, we found some outside of Drumheller. This is where the GPS took me, so hey, we'll see where it takes us. Talk to you soon, folks. great little prairie town. Outlook, Saskatchewan. All kinds of little things going on. People are out and about, hustling and going. Got things to do, places to be, people to see. I just want to put a little shout out. You can see when a town's trying and they're working hard and they're making their place look right, and the place is tidy, and even right down to the little hotel that we stayed at. You know, she was kind and friendly, and she tried to. You can see that people are trying, and she's trying. You know, the place is clean, modernized, you know, but not over the top, and reasonably priced. So anyway, just wanted to put a little shout out to a nice little town. If you're coming across to one end of this country to the other, it just looks like a nice little safe place to hold your hat for the evening, or for a day or two, or maybe a week. Who knows? I don't know exactly what's all here, but we're just passing through. But anyhow, I just wanted to, like I say hello to Outlook.